I've got a new listing for you today here in Burnaby South at the building Green. This was built by Adera, an award-winning developer. In 2009, this was built with green technology, which they won a Sustainable and Innovative Community Award. This building has solar panels and really wants to leave a lighter footprint on this planet. Today I've got a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom on the top floor penthouse with 12-foot vaulted ceilings that I can't wait to show you. Come on in and let me give you a tour. Welcome home to this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit, and what I absolutely love about this home is how open concept it is. Look at these beautiful granite countertops, and you have these double mount under sinks. Plus, I love the cabinetry color. It really accentuates the entire kitchen, and also the backsplash and the tiling. And really, this space is perfect for you if you love to cook and entertain, because you can really cook here, and then this really opens up now into your dining room area. Imagine having some bar stools and having a dining room. Imagine bringing your friends and family over for dinner and special occasion. And now this space truly opens up, and the magic is here, because look at these over height 11-foot ceilings. It brings in so much natural light. Again, this is northwest facing, so you have so much light and so much greenery. And this is such a green building that is so eco-friendly, and you also have a gas fireplace also included in your maintenance fees. And this home is perfect for you and your family to enjoy. This immaculate 2-bedroom, 2-bath penthouse unit overlooks a bubbling water feature and landscape courtyard. And here is your large balcony. What I love is that it is covered, so you can use it all year round. You can have barbecues, friends over, and having a meal or even cocktail of your choice out here. And what's beautiful is all this greenery. You're northwest facing, so you have so much natural light, and I love the water fountain features right below. You have so much tranquility and spa zen-like. This home is truly perfect if you want something peaceful and for you to relax in. And here is the Green Building's only Seasons Club. This is perfect only for private residences. You have your own gym, party room, sauna, games room, and even a yoga room. This building was built with green technology in mind. You have solar panels on the roof deck because it really wants to leave a lighter footprint on this earth. This is perfect for you and any of your friends to enjoy. And this is your private games room and billiards room. Imagine having your friends and family over, watching any of your sports game of your choice here. You have football, basketball, anything. And I love this stone wall right behind me with the fireplace feature. This is perfect to throw your football party here. And here is your private patio for residences. What I absolutely love is this is a south-facing patio. So you have a 360-degree view of Burnaby. And what's nice is Taylor Park Elementary is right across the street, super convenient. And also Burn Creek Secondary is not too far away. And as well, Edmonds Skytrain is only a 5-minute walk. Everything you need is all around you. You have Metrotown, Richmond's only 10-minute drive, and this is truly perfect for you and your family to enjoy. If you want to take a look at this amazing unit and this beautiful green building, feel free to contact me. My name's Denise Mai, and I'm more than happy to set up a viewing with you.